So welcome to 9792 on NCL Viva. Look at the bathroom. So really elegant. Love the curves. And this is pretty much exactly the same other than backdrop as Aqua. So if you go on Aqua, this will open outwards, maximise the space, NCL that down to a T. Really spacious. Nice design bathroom. Over here we have the wardrobe with your safe, along with pull-out drawers. Again, really good. Nice sliding stuff. Mirrors well included. Another drawer. These pop up as well off the latch, and then also more storage space there. Shazzy's water. Don't understand why you have to do that on NCL, but hey, oh, you do. Don't need your hooks because they're already provided. Nice mood lighting, nice comfy sofa, good sized bed, plenty of room underneath. You have your sockets on here, on your light, side table, also over here, your mirror, your plugs, pull out drawer for storage for the women, seat, your air dryers on the side, some more shelving, and of course your mini fridge, which is not included. Shame. Sure, that should be included when you got the drinks package. TV on the wall, nice side bed, mood lighting. Again, you have USB and C as that. Shelving's this side, no drawer. Good spacious size, as you can see. Really modern. And of course, what you don't get on most ships, but you do on NCL, is real fancy, nice, padded, luxurious chairs. One little table and the other one. Nice sized balcony, outside light, and of course, Athens. What a fantastic 24 hours we've had on here. So, there you go, a room tour on NCL Viva.